Hey guys, my name is Kelly and I'm from Chef Savvy, and today we are making these absolutely delicious pretzel bites dipped in homemade cheddar sauce. Let's make them. To start, I add yeast and warm water to the bowl of a stand mixer with a dough hook attached. Next, you're going to add salt, sugar, and the melted butter to the stand mixer. Next, we're going to add in our flour, 1 cup at a time. If you find that the dough starts sticking to the bottom of the bowl, add more flour. I usually do about a tablespoon of flour at a time. Next, you're going to knead the dough for about 5 minutes in the stand mixer. Then we're going to cover it with a kitchen towel and place it in a warm area for about 10 minutes. Next, cut it into 6 equal sections. We're going to take one of the sections and roll it into a long rope, which is about 20 inches long. Now we're going to take that rope and cut it into 1.5-inch bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to boil 9 cups of water along with the baking soda, and it's actually important to measure the water because if you add a little bit less or more, it's going to affect the baking soda to water ratio. Then we're going to drop about 8 to 10 pretzel bites into the water at a time. We're going to cook them for about 20 seconds. You can tell when they're done because they get a little bit puffy. We're going to brush the egg wash over each pretzel bite, and this is going to help us get that golden brown crust on the outside. Sprinkle them with sea salt and bake for about 15 minutes until they are golden brown. While the pretzels are in the oven, I like to take this opportunity and make my cheese sauce. It's optional, but it's highly recommended. To make my cheese sauce, I add butter to a small saucepan, and then I add in flour and whisk until combined. Slowly pour in the milk and whisk constantly and cook, stirring frequently for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take off the heat and then add in the cheese and season with salt and pepper to taste. You can even make it spicy and add a little bit of cayenne or paprika to this. When the pretzel bites are done, serve with the cheese sauce and enjoy. This is great for football season or just for any time. I hope you guys love this recipe and subscribe for more easy recipes.